Hello guys, welcome back to Invisible Chef Chami. Today I'm going to make Blueberry Muffin Smoothie. Let's begin. It's packed with antioxidants, fiber and a hint of cinnamon for that extra warmth. Ingredients you will need: orange, blueberry, vanilla essence, cinnamon powder, almond milk, oats. First, take a fresh orange, peel it properly and make sure to remove all the white pith. Then separate the segment one by one and keep them aside. This will make blending easier and give a smoother texture to our smoothie. Now let's toss the oats. Heat a saute pan. On low to medium heat, add oats. Stir it continuously until it turns light golden brown and releases a nutty aroma. This enhances the flavor and makes the smoothie taste even better. Once done, set it aside to cool. Look at this, beautifully toasted and ready to blend. Now it's time to blend everything together. Add orange segment, fresh blueberries, vanilla essence, cinnamon powder and almond milk. Finally, add the toasted oats for that creamy and thick consistency. Now blend it until it's smooth. Look at this color. It's so vibrant and rich. Now take a glass, fill with ice and pour in the smoothie. Look at that creamy texture. To finish, garnish with some fresh mint leaves for a refreshing touch. This smoothie is not only super tasty but also incredibly healthy. It's loaded with vitamins, fiber and antioxidants. Perfect for a nutritious breakfast or post-workout drink. Give this recipe a try and let me know how you like it in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Invisible Chef Chami for more delicious recipes. See you in the next video.